Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to turn on Apple Intelligence on iPhone. Let's get started. Your iPhone must be supported model. Apple Intelligence works on iPhone 15 Pro, iPhone 15 Pro Max, and iPhone 16 series. And you need an iOS 18.1 or later. And here's how to turn on Apple Intelligence if your device supports it. So first go to the settings and scroll down and here tap Apple Intelligence and Siri. And find Apple Intelligence and toggle or option turn on Apple Intelligence and tap it. The phone will download the required modal's data. It may take time, especially on slower networks. So if you have an iPhone 13, since iPhone 13 is not among those devices that officially supported an Apple Intelligence option to turn it on, it might not appear at all. Multiple sources confirm that Apple Intelligence requires newer or more powerful hardware. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.